Here's something most people have no idea about. Over 70% of tropical trees wouldn't even exist without animals, because the only way their seeds travel is when something eats them, throws them, buries them, or, well, drops them from the other end. Yep, entire forests depend on animals doing their normal everyday business. What looks like random animal behavior is actually one of the most advanced seed distribution systems on Earth. And once you see how it works, you'll never look at a forest the same way again.
Curious? The full video explains everything. See you there!